Hello friends and welcome to Lot of Tech once again, and in this video we'll talk about how to upload photos to Instagram. Now photos that are not only big like these, like which have more length and it is almost covering the entire screen of the phone, but photos which are also wide. By wide photos I mean that these kind of photos, like these are two photos and I've uploaded them as a multi-shot option in Instagram, and when you will move your fingers across it appears like it's a single photo and it's a wide shot. Now first of all, there are plenty of videos available on this topic, but all of those videos they are using Adobe Photoshop, a laptop or a PC, and I believe that just to slice the photo exactly from the center or to crop it any way you want, you actually don't need an Adobe Photoshop and a computer. You can do all that on your smartphone. So today I'll tell you how to do all this on your smartphone, irrespective of if you're using an Android or an iPhone. And for this we'll be using a third-party application called PicsArt. It's available for both Android and iPhone. So just install it in your phone and let's get started. So this is the example photo that we will use today, and for these kind of uploads make sure you click photos in 16:9 ratio and maximum possible size. So if I go into the details, this photo has a size of 3840 by 2160, which is quite good. Apart from that, if you want to add some filters or you want to do some basic tuning, make sure you use some good quality apps like Snapseed or Lightroom CC, because there are many applications that compress the photo and completely change the resolution after you add filters. So make sure you use good quality apps that do not hamper the resolution and size too much. So now use the share option and export this photo to the PicsArt application. You can also open the PicsArt app first and then import the photo, but this process is much more easy, so that's why I am suggesting this. Then at the bottom you will find an option called tools, so just click tools and then go to crop. Then on the top you will find that there are some numbers written, and this is actually the resolution of the photo, which might be less than the actual one which I showed you, because there are some limitations of the PicsArt app. Now let's talk about the logic part. So to upload any big photo to Instagram, the resolution that you need is 1350 by 1080, where 1350 is the height and 1080 is the width. And now if you want to upload two such photos, the total width will be double of 1080, so it will be 2160 by 1350. Height is going to remain same all the time. So now inside the crop option at the bottom left corner you will find an option of free. So there is a lock actually which is opened. Make sure that this lock is opened, it's not closed, because if the lock is closed you won't be able to change the custom ratio. And now we will enter the width as 2160 and the height will remain same as 1350. Click resize, and at this point you will find that a box will appear on the screen, and this box is actually 2160 by 1350. So now just use the pinch to zoom in and zoom out option to actually adjust the photo that you actually want to upload. Click tick on the top right corner, and this is the actual photo which will get uploaded on your Instagram. Now go into the tools option once again, go in crop, and now we will slice the photo. So we'll now enter the values as 1080 by 1350. Click resize, and again a box is going to appear on the screen. Let me do that. Okay, so the box has appeared again on the screen, and now you have to fit the entire photo inside the box, at least from the top and bottom, and drag the photo to the extreme right. So this is actually the left side of the photo that we are saving. Hit tick and then again tick once again. Some ad will be popping up on the screen, and save this photo to your gallery. Don't touch anything at this point. Hit the back button which is there on the top left corner and use the undo feature, and then you will be back on the same photo again. So what we have done here is that we have saved the left side of the photo. Then we'll again go into the tools, then go to crop, enter the values again as 1080 by 1350. It's really very simple. And then we will go into hit resize. Again a box will appear. Shrink the photo from top and bottom and drag the photo to the extreme left. So this is actually the right side of the photo. Hit tick, hit that tick once again, and save this photo to your gallery. So what we have done here is that we have saved two photos to the gallery, the left and the right. Now just open your Instagram application. Click the post option, and here you will see the two photos that we have just saved. So click the first photo and use the zoom feature which is there on an Instagram and shrink the photo. Don't worry, the black borders are not going to appear. Then hit the multi photos option, and the first photo will be automatically numbered as number 1 and the second one will be the number 2, and this is the preview that we are going to get. Hit next, hit share, and finally this photo will get uploaded. So this is how we upload white photos to Instagram, and for this you just don't need any PC, laptop and Adobe Photoshop or any sort of other complex software. You can do this on your mobile, and I hope this tutorial was helpful. You can use the same technique to upload photos in 3 and 4 segments. So if you have any doubts, do let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to give a like to the video and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.